Okay, question 8. Digit total of 20, but all 3 digits are different, 10 points. You are asked to find the 3 digit numbers which have a digit summation of 21, but of all of their digits should be different from each other. For example, 498, 786, 948 fit this definition. According to this definition, how many different natural numbers can be written? And we need to print them out. For example, let's see here, answer okay, I'll answer question 8. Let's say answer question 0.8.pi. okay, here I need to create these numbers and find this one and total this one. Let's see, these are 21. Okay, 4 plus 9 plus 8, this is a, print a, and this a equals again this one. Again I need to print a, and a equals again 4 plus 8, and I need to print a. Let's see if they are 21. Okay, all of 3 of them 21. I need to find these 3 digit numbers. How can I write all 3 digit numbers? For index in range, 3 digit numbers should start from 100. This is the first 3 digit numbers, and it should go to the 1000. And let's say print index. If I do this way, okay, as you can see, all 3 digit numbers are here. And here I need to find this digit 1, digit 2, and digit 3 for this one. Okay, digit 0 part is actually, I can find this index, or I can easily find other ways. One of the most easiest one is the str index, is the here is the str index. Okay, then str index, then digit 0 equals to, okay, str index 0, digit 10, digit 100. This should be, I think this should be 2, this should be 1, and this should be 0. Instead this, let's see the number together, index, then digit 100, then digit 10, and digit 0. And let's see this number. Yes, okay, I have written correctly, but as you may remember, these are string, therefore I need to change them to the int so that they will be the integer values. Okay, and here integer, and let's say total equals to digit 0 plus digit 10 plus digit 100, and let's say if total equals to 21. Let's write this one, and here let's say total. Okay, these are the numbers, but our last requirement is the all 3 digits are different. Therefore I need to write if, okay, digit 0 not equal to digit 10 and digit 10 not equal to digit 100, and of course I need to check digit 0 is not equal to the digit 100, and digit 0 not equal to digit 100, both of them together, and here is the numbers. But here the question, as you may remember, how many different natural numbers can be written, and I need to write here number count equals 0. I need to include this one, increase plus 1, and at the last print digit total of all different numbers, different numbers count equal to this numbers count. And yeah, we see that there are 18 numbers. All three digits are different. This is the question 8 solution.